Okay, have a little bit of a, I mean, it's a repair video, but it's not a repair video. You know, it is a show you how to repair a hardback seat cover. Like this. If you have a 98 up with certain packages and airbags, I know the 98s, 99s, 2000s had this. This is out of my 99 Touring. When I bought the car, as you can see, we have a screw there, screw in the corner, screw here. They broke this clip off. You can see they broke this off in the corner. That one. This thing is just destroyed. So, you know, we have, you know, your color code here, which you will be able to get some paint to match, or dye. You'll need dye. Okay, and we're going to need to save our pocket. So, I'm going to get my, okay, so I'm going to take this screw out here, because you get a better view here. This corner, because we are not going to need this. And I'm going to have to live with this hole. I could probably get it repaired by a vinyl guy. And I may do that if I don't find a perfect black one. If I come across a perfect black one, we're good. I'm also not going to pay a ridiculous price for a perfect black one. But I do want to put the car back. I mean, look at this screw. Jeez. I'm going to get a better screwdriver here. I have a better screwdriver right here. There we go. Look at that sucker. Look at that. I mean, geez. It's like, wow. So next, we'll flip it over. Should need a flat blade, but you can take a flat blade and make it easier. Pair of pliers, needle nose. But I'm just going to take my hand, and this is just stapled. It comes over these little dowels here, these plastic dowels. See the plastic dowels, and it's stapled. So we're going to work it up both sides. If you want, you can get a pair of needle nose and just kind of work it a bit. It should pull pretty easy. The reason I have the needle nose is mostly to work the corner. These staples aren't in there real well. The dowels do most of the holding. I guess. We're just going to work around the edges here. We're going to pull this all back. I'm going to pull it all back. So, let's see. There's another light would be handy right about now. And I have one. Just get up off the butt and grab it, but this'll do. So we're just gonna put all this up. Be careful not to tear your material. And there we go. That'll help. Just don't want to tear your material. So, material, it can be, you know, around the staples. Be careful. See how I'm just taking it slow? See, it's got these dowels, and the holes in the material here fit these dowels, so You just you can pick it up with your hands. I did the new one with my hands. I took the panel off to dye it. Had it dyed. Got as close as I could. Okay. So that's, you just kind of get in here and work this side. Work the side. Someone really abused this car before I got it, so she's got some abuse on her. So now that we got this all loose, we're gonna take our leather here. We're just gonna pull it carefully, unwrap it, pull it. Oops, I didn't get this. Right, these staples all the way out on this corner. See, and get them all the way out. So we're gonna go back. Okay, so that's what it looks like pulled off. You can see the extent of damage where people have been drilling and tapping, and God only knows why. I mean, wood screws and everything else. Now here's my new one that I got dyed. Slightly darker, not horrible. We're going to slip our fabric on here like so. See, slip our pocket on, and I'm gonna push it around. I'm gonna push it back over these dowels. That's important. Get it back over the dowels. Just see, take it, work it, a dowel here, a dowel there. Really. Okay. Alright. You know, all I could find, I had done salvage yards around here. I've scavenged row 50s too. Parts places. All I could find around me was gray or beige or whatnot ones. So we'll work this around, and then we'll put some staples in this. And there's the, you know, I still have where my screw was, but she looks pretty nice. You know, pretty dang nice. So we'll do that and put her in the car. And the pocket will be repaired, and this hard back will be repaired. And I'll have a video on installing removal of these seat backs. There's a way to remove them, and now I have all my tabs. We're dyed back black. I'm a little darker than what I should have, but oh, that's what I get. I should have had it especially mixed instead of just picking up some vinyl and leather dye off the shelf. So it's my bad, but I may dye the other one so they're both kind of a gloss black. They match, you know. Make another one of these back panels. Take the one off so I can keep it keep it nice. and make another one of these panels, and then if I ever find one, I can put the other one back on with the driver's side. I believe the passenger and driver are both interchangeable from what my research has told me. Now, you know, that research came from the internet, so you have to take stuff off the internet with a grain of salt, but yeah, so I'm gonna get this stapled, and that's been the video. You know, you just take your staple gun. Use a shallow staple, they don't go in far. And that's how they did it. So, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And, I'll see you in another project.